Hi, my name is Elizaveta Shashkova, and today I would like to present my hackathon project, Sort the Meat. Since the pandemic started, all our working communications have moved to Google Meet. Weekly updates, stand-ups, different discussions, everything is now inside this powerful video conferencing tool. Yeah, Google Meet is great, but there is one problem about it. If there are a lot of people in a meeting and you want to speak in alphabetical order, one by one, it will be hard for you to do it. Because when you open a participants list, Google Meet shows all the participants in alphabetical order except you, because you are always on top of this list. And it's really hard to understand when it's your turn to speak, because you need to calculate your position in this sorted list, and it might be really hard sometimes. And that's why my project has appeared. It's a Google Chrome extension, which you can install inside your Google Chrome, and which will automatically move you to the correct position inside participants lists. So after that, you can quickly understand when it's your turn to speak. No more awkward moments when nobody is speaking, or phrases, "Hey, it's your turn." Everything is now very smooth and logical and alphabetically correct during every meeting you are taking part in. Okay, so who's speaking next? Huh? It's my turn, sorry, my fault. So, do you want to give a try to this extension? It's already available in a Chrome web store, so you can just go and install it. It's called Sort the Meat, exactly like the project. And of course, the link is available in the project description and in a link description. If you want to try it, you can do it right now. Thank you for listening us today. I hope you will try it and give us feedback. And of course, don't forget to give us votes during the voting process. Read the project description and issue description, search for all the necessary links, and have fun. Bye. Bye.